cook strawberry tea and lemon tea with Chef Josh or CCCC. New viewers, please subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you can get daily recipes. So when you are making, we are going to start with strawberry tea. First of all, you need to buy strawberry tea bags. You need to buy strawberry tea bags. So we are going to start by putting our water in the saucepan. Then you are going to boil the water. After boiling the water, when you see that the water has started boiling, then we are going to put our strawberry tea bag. We are going to put our strawberry bag. After putting the strawberry bag, we are going to boil. We are going to boil. You can get this strawberry bag in the supermarket. When it's ready, strain and serve. When you are serving, in the teapot, you apply your strawberry tea. You serve with a strawberry tea bag. Remember, this is Chef Joshua CCCC. You can get these strawberry tea bags in the supermarkets. You can buy them in any big supermarket. Then we are going to do lemon tea. When you are doing lemon tea, first of all, you are going to need lemons. You are going to have the lemons. After having them, you slice them or you quarter them. Then apply them in the saucepan. After applying them in the saucepan, you are going to apply water. Then you boil until you see that they are ready. But don't overboil, because when you overboil, they will become sour. Then after boiling, when you see that they are ready, you strain. When you see that they are ready, please strain. Then after straining, you are going to serve. Professionally, this is optional. We are going to slice some lemon rings. After slicing them, this is optional to apply them in the teapot. You can apply them in the teapot and you boil plain water, you apply it here. But it is optional. You can serve these lemon rings aside, like you see I'm doing. Then you also serve with honey. It is professional to serve it with honey, not sugar. This is Chef Josh CCCC. For the new viewers, if you have benefited in this video, please subscribe. After subscribing, please share with each and everyone so that we can share the knowledge together. This is Chef Josh CCCC. Don't forget to watch this video until the end. I think you can see we first applied honey. After applying honey, you apply what's enough. Then you put the lemon rings. It is optional. Then after, you apply the what? The lemon water or the hot lemon water. Then it is good to go. You can enjoy it from my kitchen to your kitchen and you feel the taste.